Guys, help me. Help me, please. Hi, Anthony. We had this eating nice. I remember. My head is aching so bad. Been not feeling well this past few days. Guys, help me reach 1 star, please. Yes. Dito na naman si James naman niya, please. Aray mo. Told you. The one and only. Hello. It's getting colder here. Okay, but first you have to give gift to one. Wow. Hi, Bods. What does that mean? Oh, that's my favorite! That's my favorite, Dima. Thank you so much for helping me as always. Dima, is that you? The one followed me yesterday. I'm not I'm not sure if it was yesterday, but is that you? It's my brother's birthday today. Yay! He's now 18. He's now 18. Help me. Hello. Dennis. Hello. He's now 18. Sandali lang. Okay, you look good. Oh my gosh. I didn't know you look like that. I like your eyes. It looks like an eye owl. It's like an owl's eye. Angel. Like it's so sharp. Like it can melt me. I like your eyes. How can you have that beautiful eyes when I have these Asian eyes? Jonathan. Huh? Lima, how can you have that beautiful eyes when I have that Asian eyes? P5546. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I like your eyes so much. It feels like it can melt me. Feels like it can melt me. Sandali. My God. I like your eyes. I just don't like your. I love your eyes. I love your eyes. Sandali lang, Lohan. Teka lang, bakit ba ako Ah, I will look into your eyes for too long and I will fall in love. Broadcasting, hello.